Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. You guys, I hope you all are doing all right. If you're here in North America, it's been swelteringly hot where I live. I spent most of the day outside today. As you guys know, we were gone for a couple of weeks on vacation, so it has been very dry here in Wisconsin. We are in kind of a pretty bad drought. So as soon as we got back, I started hauling hoses and trying to get our landscaping watered because you could tell things were definitely struggling. A lot of like brush and flowers and things. We had planted some new trees in a couple areas a few years ago. Because they're only a few years old, I'm still watering those because, they're just not a mature established tree yet. So it's been kind of one of those weeks. And we got a little bit of rain today, but I spent most of the day outside. I also, before our trip, started a landscape project. I don't know why I do these things to myself, but I started a landscape project, so I did a little bit of work on that again today. And it was just a miserably hot day. So funny thing is, I'm down in my little area here, and I'm actually in a sweatshirt because I'm cold, but it's really hot, it's really humid, it's really miserable outside. So I hope you guys are staying safe. Today, you guys, we have EYESCREAM Beauty for the month of June. And yes, I am behind because we were on a vacation. So this is it, EYESCREAM Beauty box. I get the box, not the bag. Here's what it looks like. I already see a brand in there that I'm very familiar with because I used to get their box every month. So here is the June cheat sheet of information. Chrome Addict is the theme of the month. All right, so that brand that I was referring to is ZeeSea. This is a brand out of China. I, for like at least a year, got they have a subscription box you can get each month, and it was a lot of fun. I got a lot of makeup from them, some skincare and things. I really enjoyed it, but honestly, I started to get a lot of stuff, and I just backed off. So this is ZeeSea's Interstellar Highlight Powder called Living Colorfully. So let's see if I have a tool to go ahead and open this. Take a look. I don't like breaking like the boxes and stuff. It looks like it opens from the side here. So there we go. Okay, first thing on the top is the spongy with, how cute is this, you guys? It looks like a little UFO. Isn't that cute? ZeeSea has really fun packaging on almost all their stuff. So that is cool. Interstellar, it is meant to look, honestly, like a planet or like the old UFO type thing. That's pretty cute. Honestly, you guys, their packaging is so cute. So that's pretty. It's got a little bit of like a marbling through it. So how fun is that? I like that. That's cute. I'm a sucker for cute packaging, you guys. I really am. I'm not going to swatch that. It is what it is, you know. It's a cute little highlighter. Living Colorfully. Cool. Fun. Okay, and let's see what they say the MSRP on that is from ZeeSea. $35 for that from ZeeSea. It says another new launch in this box. You're one of the very first to receive this product. The adorable shape of this highlighter. Yeah, it's cute, right? Make a great vanity topper. More importantly, the product itself is very luxurious, buildable highlight for everyday use. There will be 4 shades available on the ZeeSea site. Again, you guys check out my playlist from ZeeSea. I did get like 12 months of they have their own subscription box, and it is a lot of fun. It's kind of expensive though, so you can get if you prepay for like 3 months or 6 months or a year, you can get a discount, but it's expected to be like $40. Okay, and it ships from China. All right, next item. Ooh. Okay, these are pretty. Chantico Beauty. I like the color. Okay, this first one here, there's 2 of these that is it just the 2? I think it's just the 2. Let's see where they're at. Okay, there's 2 of these, $38. This is a duochrome sparkle shadows by Chantico Beauty. In continuation of our partnership with Chantico Beauty, we have another new launch. These dual chrome shadows are next level creamy and sparkly. There are 4 total shades available on the Chantico Beauty site. So this one is pretty, and it is called Magnificent Duochrome Eyeshadow. Magnificent. So there's that one. And then this one is like a green blue, and actually It looks like it's busted up in there. I don't want to open it because it's moving around in there. Because this one looks pressed and this one looks busted up. So I think I would have to repress that. Now what you can do, you can really see it's busted up. And I'll make a mess if I open it. A lot of times if you get these wet with a little bit of like rubbing alcohol, ooh, it wants to open. I got a little bit that came out, so just a little bit of the green right here. But you can put a little rubbing alcohol in, get it damp, and then press it down. You can press it with your finger, or like just get a little bit of wax paper and you can press them in there. But this one's broken for sure. So if I open that, it's going to be a mess. So I did get a little bit that came out on my finger, but not a lot. So $38 for those two. There's 4 shades available on the Shintico website, so that's neat. I saw this in there, and of course the sparkle on that just caught my eye. Super cute. Let's see, am I doing it upside down? It's called Better Off is the shade. Let's see what this is. Is there anything on the outside? Okay, it's Okaland, so I know that one. This is a glitter lipstick by Opinionated Cosmetics, $5 for this. It's a very budget-friendly glitter lipstick. The glitter is just for show, and the actual lipstick does not put any glitter on your lips, so it's got an overspray on it. The satin lipstick does not dry down matte. All 6 of these shades are available on the EYESCREAM Beauty website. So it's got a little shrink seal, and of course, you guys know that I'm a sucker for checking out stuff like this. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this little plastic seal off, and there it comes. Take a look at the shade. Again, it's called Better Off. So it is shrink sealed, which is really nice. I really appreciate that because you would know if somebody got into it, right? Okay. All right. I mean, cute, right? Super sparkly. Yep, it's got a little overspray. A lot of them come like this. You can get these from a lot of different beauty places have these oversprays on these. Like I've seen these at Huda, a whole bunch, but that's really pretty. All right, we're going to swatch it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, so what color do you guys think this is going to be? Did you see it on my hand? It's bold, baby. That is bold, 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 bold color. Not at all what I was expecting. Super cute. I kind of like it. It looks peachy. Might be right up my alley. That's cool. Okay, so $5 for that. So just these first $35, $38. We're already well beyond the $25 that this monthly box costs. So really good deal. We still have a couple items. And this is Charmacy Double-Headed Stick. This is an eyeshadow and highlighter. Let's see, $14 for this. Says these multi-chrome sticks can be used as eyeliner, eyeshadow, or one end can be used as highlighter. The pigment and shift on the multi-chrome end are insane. The other sides contain a lighter dual chrome shade. There are 6 total shades of these available on the Charmacy Global website. Okay, let's check that out. I love dual chromes and multi-chromes. I'm obsessed. You guys, pretty much every time I wear makeup, when I put on eyeshadow, it's going to be a dual chrome or a multi-chrome. They're just so fun. The shifting is pretty. Okay, so that's the box. Charmacy. Is there a color or anything? It just says Milano. All right, so here's what it looks like. I'm not usually into these sticks, but I might hang on to that just for that end. But let's see how dark that is. Oh, so this is like a bronze color. That's pretty. And then let's check out the highlighter pearlescent end. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I can definitely see using those right down here. Really pretty. Ooh, there's quite the shift to that. There's a big green shift to this one on the outside. So it comes across really bronzy, but it shifts pretty hard green, so that's pretty, really pretty. So that's cool. I'll hang on to those for sure. You guys, I'm not at all unhappy with this. This is pretty good, pretty great box. And we have one more item. Remember, you always get a palette, so we have a palette. So let's see what this is. $30. Beauty Moon. I love that it's bubble wrap. Beauty Moon Cosmetics and EYESCREAM Beauty's Visage palette. So this is a palette specifically for Ice Cream Beauty's box. It is cruelty-free and vegan, which is really great. Massage. There is a mirror, so we're going to cover that. Shade saver. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Really, really pretty colors. Look at that. The nice thing, this says formulated without. There are no parabens, no mineral oil, no phthalates, triclosans, no sodium lauryl sulfates, and it's gluten-free. So that's nice. Vegan and cruelty-free. That's great. Those are some really pretty colors. You know me, I'm not really into the bold green colors, but wow, like beautiful, beautiful shades. So really nice. I'm going to put that shade saver back on. So nine shadows in that. That's great. And that again, MSRP on that, they have $30 for that. Seems a little high for that, but they're good size pans, which I appreciate. So $30 for the palette. We have a cute bullet lipstick that is $5. So that's $35 right there. Then we've got this dual chrome stick that's $14. This from ZeeSea was $35. And then these two, which unfortunately one of them is broken, and I'll have to figure out whether I want to try to repress it because it's really messy. And it's kind of getting everywhere. But Chantico Beauty, those are $38 for the two of those, which is, wow, kind of pricey. And like I said, the one is broken and kind of wants to leak everywhere. But so pretty good box, guys. I've been a really big fan of this box. You always get makeup. Every now and then you might get an item that is like a skincare product, but it's an every now and then. It's not like 3 of the 5 items or all of the items. And it's every now and then. So I don't mind that at all. I got a little bit more of that shadow, the busted up shadow right there. It's pretty sparkly. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Pretty great box. Apologies, you guys, on how late it is. Like I said, a lot of this stuff arrived while I've been gone. I'm still catching up on, I still have a lot of travel videos that I can make. I still have a bunch of boxes to unbox with you guys. So hope you're enjoying this. I appreciate you guys for watching it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Are you still holding out on subscribing? And if so, why? All right, y'all. I appreciate your time so much. Have a great day. Stay cool if it is summer where you're at, like it is here. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, everybody.